The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge, located in San Francisco, California, was a remarkable engineering feat that took place in the 1930s. Here's an overview of how the bridge was constructed. Planning and design. The idea for a bridge across the Golden Gate Strait, the entrance to the San Francisco Bay, was proposed in the late 19th century. A design competition was held in 1930, and the final design by engineer Joseph B. Strauss and architect Irving Morrow was chosen. Financing. The construction of the bridge was financed through public bonds, which were approved by voters in 1930. The project faced significant challenges during the Great Depression, but it was ultimately funded through the sale of these bonds. Foundation construction. The construction of the bridge began on January 5, 1933. The first step was to build the bridge's foundations, which involved sinking two massive concrete piers into the bedrock of the strait. These piers served as the support for the bridge's main towers. Tower construction. The construction of the bridge's towers started in 1934. A system of temporary catwalks and scaffolding was erected to facilitate the construction process. The towers were built using a technique called cantilever construction, where sections were extended outward from the towers and connected in the middle. Cable installation. The main suspension cables were installed by a team of workers known as spinners. They spun the wires together on site, using a technique called spinning. The completed cables were then hoisted over the tops of the towers and anchored into the ground. Deck construction. Once the main cables were in place, the construction of the bridge's deck began. The deck was assembled from both ends of the bridge and met in the middle. The construction process involved placing steel girders, followed by the installation of the roadway and pedestrian walkways. Completion and opening. After several years of construction, the Golden Gate Bridge was completed and opened to the public on May 27, 1937. The opening ceremony was attended by thousands of people who walked across the bridge before it was opened to vehicle traffic. The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge was a significant achievement in civil engineering, and the bridge remains an iconic landmark today. Its distinctive red-orange color and elegant design have made it a symbol of San Francisco and an engineering marvel.